family, welcome back. Hey, welcome back family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. I thought this would be a really cool concept or a video to do about concerts, okay? My concerts recommendation in fragrances. Honey, we are in concert season, okay? Everybody is on tour. Everybody is concerting, okay? I just recently went to Janet Jackson concert. That was in Chicago and had a time, okay? Had a good old time. I love me some Janet Jackson. That woman, I don't even care. Her age, she like a teenager. I mean, her age does not stop her from dancing. She danced the whole time. She did all the good old hits. She had the production on. The lights were amazing. The outfit was on. Even though I was sitting by someone that I felt like we was having a screaming match, but it's okay. I feel like I won a little bit, but she was screaming a lot. Now I be screaming, so you can take me out. Trust me, you can take me out. But if Janet's around, you might not want to go with me, because I am gonna scream. But I felt like we was having a screaming match. Anyway, not about screaming, about the concert. So whether you're going to see Nicki Minaj, whether you're going to go see Missy Elliott, Usher, I believe, is having his tour. You know, wherever you are going to go, you got to be smelling good. Please smell good. Those that are around you, we would really appreciate you smelling good. Oh, and also, another one that's coming up that I got to go to, Maxwell and Jasmine Sullivan. Okay, Jasmine, that girl can blow. Okay, so I'm excited. I really want to go to her concert. And even throughout concerts, like I know when my family members just went to the Wiz, right? And so there's shows. So even with concerts, there's shows. There's just so much going on in the summer, and I had to give you all my recommendations for some fragrances because we have to be smelling good, okay? So let's get into it. So first off, I have just a few, right? So I don't want to bog you down, you know, and let me know what are some fragrances you would wear to concerts or some summer events that you have, okay? While I'm doing this, comment down below. I want to know what you're wearing too. So I know you're going to be smelling good, but we have Strychnina from Vicanto. This, I believe, is so good. Tropical, right? We got fruity kind of vibes in this. This is really, really good to me for a concert, and it lasts. Ooh, I think that's one thing that I do like, right? I want my fragrances to last. That's what I look for. You know, I don't look for the closest skin, but I don't want it to come off like off-putting, right? I don't want to be too loud and too oody where people are just like, oh girl, okay, turn it off. Like, I don't want to disrupt anyone with my fragrance, but I do like to smell, of course, amazing, but I love it to project. I like my fragrance amazingness to go to the masses, all right? But, I think Vicanto, Strychnina, if you have it, I think this would be a really good option for a great concert. I think you will get all the compliments in the world. We have from your passion fruit to your bergamot. We have peach, we have raspberry, you have some woody notes, you have some fruity notes. You have all the great things in this fragrance, and I believe it would be a hit. It would be a great hit, okay, for a concert event. Let's keep going. We have one of my new fragrances, my new babes, that you all laugh at me for the legs. Well, laugh some more. We have Scandal, and this is Le Parfum. I told you all about this. This is your like, ooh, good old gourmand, okay? Good old sexy gourmand. That's the way love goes. I can just see it, you know. Ooh, that's the way love goes. I mean, ooh. I can see this at a Jasmine Sullivan concert with Maxwell. Like, you bringing on the sexy, because you know that concert is just gonna ooze out sexiness. Like, it's just gonna be amazing. Like, I already know. Would I wear this to Usher? I might wear this to Usher. This is so good, and I feel like, you know, yes, it lasts and all of that, but this will not hurt the masses around you or the crowd around you. I feel like you would get more compliments than someone being turned off. I feel like someone would actually ask you, what do you have on? I feel like you will get that type of response. So if you don't want anybody to talk to you, don't wear this, okay? If you don't want nobody to compliment you, you better wear a close skin scent, okay? Because the way I do concerts, I want somebody to compliment me. But if you don't want those type of vibes or attention, please wear something that you would wear in your house for an easy reach. Bypass this list altogether. Because next up, honey, what did you all think about the BET Awards? What did you think about Will Smith and Kirk Franklin in that concert, basically? Not in person, through the TV. What did you think about that? I thought that was pretty hot. I enjoyed. Anyway, next on the list that I would suggest, if you are wanting a little bit of a fresh, still fruity, but just more of a fresh type of fragrance for the concert, I would recommend Navitous Melon Kiss, okay? I feel like this would be a really good outside kind of concert. So if you have any concerts that will be outside, I think this would be really good and just be so fresh and beautiful and just give you compliments too. But I feel like it fits like outside concert vibes. So if you have any of those, I love the arena inside. You all know how I am. I like the AC arena inside concerts. But if you have to go outside for a concert that you really want, I would tap into Melon Kiss. So Melon Kiss has your honeydew and coconut milk and vanilla type of scent. It's so good. It's so creamy to me. It's amazing. I love it. It has this ozonic type of fresh feel. And so again, it gives you a very light outside appropriate vibes for your concert. Oh, I just have to put this on my skin. This is so good. It also has honey in this. It's so good. Highly would recommend if you are into those type of notes. If you are like looking at me like, honeydew sis, for real. It's good, okay? Highly recommend for your outside event. You want Melon Kiss from Navitous in partnership with Gabby Loves Perfumes. All right, moving on. Next up, if you're in Miami or a tropical setting and you're at a concert, I mean, maybe it's a yacht concert. I don't know. But if you are like out of state, maybe in the Bahamas, Jamaica, or wherever, and you're like, what should I wear to the concert? You know, what Caribbean, are you on the Caribbean island? Anyway, I would recommend Fragrance Du Bois, and this is Santal Complete. This gives me so much of the, not only tropical, but a luxury woody, musky type of setting. It gives me crisp white beach, white sands. It's just so good, okay? It gives me like white linen, that type of thing. So if you are going to a concert, but you're needing to be a little bit more fancy, you're on, again, like a tropical setting, an island, you're in Miami, just those type of vibes, I would absolutely recommend Fragrance Du Bois Santal Complete to be for your concert vibes. This is going to get you all the way there, okay? Moving on. Next up, the famous, popular Navitus Ambrosia Imperial. Of course, if you want to, again, another tropical, but this one, again, do not wear this if you don't want anybody to talk to you, okay? I'm just telling you now. If you don't want the people to talk to you, don't wear it. Because they're going to talk to you. They're going to tap you on the shoulder and be like, girl, what you wearing? Ambrosia Imperial. This is a great concert vibe. It definitely is unique, but a conversation starter, right? You might not want to be talking during the concert, but as you are approaching and what you're wearing, okay, if you are shutting them down, you need to shut them down with your fragrance, okay? It just needs to be all put together, okay? And this is what put it all together. So I would highly recommend you get Ambrosia Imperial. This is so good for concert, or pull it out because I know you already have it. So this is amazing for concert vibes. You would be the talk, okay, of the concert, okay? They might even turn around, like, is the concert back here? And last but certainly not least, this is one I would say if I were to go to like a gospel concert, church concert, there's all types of concerts out there, it ain't gotta all be Usher and Missy Elliott, it could be a church concert, maybe something like that's outside. There's a lot of those type of things that happen during the summer as well. And you're like, sis, what would you recommend? I would recommend Mancera, and this is Musky Garden, okay? This is so good. You wouldn't be doing that at the church concert, I know. But this gives me very classy concert vibes, okay? This gives me like, you don't necessarily have to be the first lady, right? Because there's all types of first ladies anyway. They women. Anyway, but you might want to go a little bit more classier, a little bit more elevated, to a concert. Maybe you're sitting, maybe you have your you're decked out in all your gorgeousness, right? You're just dressed down, like all the things, heels and more. This is a great pick, okay? I absolutely love this. I love this so much. Let's go over the notes together, okay? We have cranberry, we have white peach, we have citrus in the top. Middle notes, we have Bulgarian rose, iris, patchouli leaf, and Indian jasmine. Base notes, we have white musk, raspberry, blackberry, and amber. I'm telling you, all those notes, it sounds good, don't it? I know. It is really good. Again, this is a more elevated, classy type of scent. It's definitely for my modern day. Like, it doesn't give me like, you talking about church, it must be older. Like, no, it's not. You could be fancy in the church house. You could be fancy, okay? It's all different types of people in the church too, because they people. Anyway, Musky Garden, I would absolutely recommend if you are having a kind of a special event. Even, maybe you're having like an after party after like the wedding, and you're kind of having like an after party concert type of thing. This would be a good one too. It's elevation, okay? It's not like I'm just, yeah, it's not one of them. It's like, all right, that's all family. That's that's all for my concert recommendations. I love it. What would you wear and rock at a concert? You know, whether it be the church concert, or you going to see Missy, or you going to see Aaliyah, or you going to see SWV's on concert, Escapes, they doing the concert. There's so many different concerts, okay? What will you be rocking to the concerts? I would love to know. Make sure that you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and comment down below. Let me know all your thoughts, all right? Make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye. Bring me to the concert. Bye.